How to delete all your comment history on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete all your comments history on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now go to your profile and click on those three lines up there beside the plus icon and click on your activity. Wait a second and now click on interaction, which is the third option. Now click on the first option, comments. They're gonna show you all your history comments on Instagram. Now all you need to do is click on select and start selecting all your comments on your Instagram account and click on delete, and they're gonna delete all your comments. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.